Now, when it comes to dining out in Japan, particularly in cities, it is essential to make your restaurant reservation in advance. It'd be a real shame, if you came here for 2 weeks and missed out on the best thing about the country, i.e. the food. But I also realise if you don't speak Japanese, picking up the phone and making that reservation is a pretty stressful and nerve-wracking situation that often doesn't end well. Table for 2, please? And so I'm delighted to say we're partnering up with Japan's #1 restaurant listing and reservation service, Tabelog. With over 860,000 restaurants and 65 million user reviews, Tabelog has become the gold standard for discovering the best restaurants in the country. Now, thankfully, it's easy to use in English. But most importantly, what makes Tabelog so damn popular in Japan is its iconic rating system, where the scores aren't simple averages, but are calculated by taking into account the influence of the users. As of now, the highest restaurant is about 4.66 out of 5. And in fact, a score of 3.5 is exceptional. Just 3% of the restaurants on Tabelog have over 3.5, and just 0.07% have surpassed 4 stars. 5 stars is essentially an unattainable godlike level. Best of all, Tabelog has its own award system, Hyakumeiten, literally 100 famous restaurants, showcasing the best of the best in each category. So let's try searching for a restaurant using the website. You can search for restaurants using the Near Me function based on location or by type of food. Enter the time, date, number of people, and you'll get a list of restaurants. Be sure to check their scores and see what people have to say in their reviews. And of course, have a look through the mouth-watering, tantalising photos. And in my case, well, looks like I'll be heading to my favourite yakitori restaurant again. Now, let's go and check out the best goddamn restaurants in all of Japan.